Hello my friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello my friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sobhan. I'm an art teacher. And in this video, I try to drawing a portrait of the one character into the Walt Disney. And the character of the cartoon and the name of the cartoon, Rabin Hood. The name of the cartoon is Rabin Hood. And I painting the lion, the king lion into the Rabin Hood. And I hope you like it. And thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for supporting me. And if you can do it, please share to your friend. And don't forget, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Let's start. Before we begin, I want to show to you my another painting in the another video. You can check my videos in my YouTube channel, and I hope you like it. And thank you for supporting me. Thank you for subscribe my YouTube channel. They are very fun, very cool. And now this time I use the holder and use the pencil, and let's start the drawing. At the first time I use one circle for the face, maybe a little down is better. Yes, this is the best. And for now, again I use it, one line is there and one line is there, not into the center, a little corner. And this here I use one circle, two, and then is there another circle, like this size is enough. I drawing the nose of the king. This king is very funny. I really like it. Very fun and very cool. Usually the character of the Walt Disney is very funny, and I really like this company. And then I start the details. This is for the face. This for the mouth. This is okay. And then I help to this circle, and again drawing the eyes of the lion. It's okay. And another eyes. Yes, this here is okay. This is enough. Maybe need to, yes, a little turn right. And then I use the one line for the face and details. It's okay. And I want to drawing the king style, like this. And again another line. For the king. That's enough. And then I use it like a curve style, curvy, and Again the detail started. Details started to one square is there, one square is here too. Again one square. And this is very important for the form of the hat. It's okay. And now I drawing the ear of the king. I forget the name of this character, but I really love it. This king is very fun. In Rabin Hood animation. And this is okay for his hand. For his hand it's okay. And this is the arm. I need to drawing the beard. And another hand into the mouth. And this is the fingers, like this style. And it's okay. It's very easy, very easy and very fun, very funny. The face of him, it's very cool. Did you see the animation of the Rabin Hood? Because I really love this animation and suggested for you. And I remember old animation, it's perfect scenario, and for now this scenario in another animation it's not very strong, and for kids it's boring. But old animation it's very fun and very strong. And this is the fingers and the arm. And this is for the cloth of the shirt. This is okay. This is okay too. Everything is okay. And now we are ready for painting and start the shadow. This is okay. Then I use black pencil color and start details from up. Use this very carefully when you drawing, because for now we have a lot of the line, and only I do it for the line, for important line. And now into the hat, need to black, need to do it black for the shadow. And very, very carefully. It's enough. And a little use the line and light shadow for here. Then I use it the line for here and for jewelry of the king. This is okay. Can you see the detail? The detail is very important. It's different with normal style. And now into the eye, need to do it black. And black too for another eye. And drawing the ear, a little shadow. And this ear need to shadow too, because the shadow of the hat into the face. Show it into the face. And another ear, again use the shadow. I drawing the details of the finger. And for jewelry, and for the clothes, and drawing the details of the clothes up to you. You can use it more, you can use it less. This is okay. Again, more shadow. And for using the shadow, you can using hatching style like me, or you can using fade style like this, with circle and very, very fade. I do it, but for me hatching style is better because I like it. And I told you, up to you. It's not important. And if you like it, you can use hatching style. You don't like it, you can fade style. And you can use a color pencil for painting, for colorful painting, exactly like the animation. And now black for the nose. full black. And I draw the finger. And for the mouth, use one line and one line. Just this. It's very easy. For the beard style is okay. A little shadow for show it better is here, and this is okay. Again, details for the finger. And for jewelry, we are going to ending, and if you want you can use more details, up to you. And for the clothes, I use it again the hatching style, and a little mustache, and it's okay. I hope you like it. And it do a little using the shadow for the hand. A little shadow is here, and it's here too. And it's enough. So it's ending. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for supporting me. I say again, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you can do it, please share to your friend. Until to the next video and another drawing and painting, goodbye. See you later.